super cute. Oh, why is it not in focus? Oh, I just missed it. She's always running on the ice and slipping all over the place. Does it smell good, guys? Hey? Does it smell good? It's almost like snow. Slippery. Oh yeah, so many neat smells. Hey Rufus, does it smell really good? Hey Sniper, you smelling good? You can tell none of them are responding to their names. Juno! Yeah! Good boy! Good boy, Juno! Yep. Did you get it? You didn't even get it. That's it. Good boy. Oh, I'm terrible. I got bad aim today. Sorry, Juno. There, I'll just give you one. Good boy. No one got it? Someone got it. I think it was Tucker. Hi, Frankie. Hi, beautiful. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, do you want a treat? Can you sit? What a pretty girl. Yes, you can. Good girl. There you go. Nom nom. Rufus. I was trying to give you these earlier, but you weren't taking them. Can you sit? Hey? Good boy. There you go. Hey, Sniper, no. Nope. No. Rufus, there you go. Good boy, Rufus. He actually ate it. Good boy. Ah, yeah.